What's good, guys? It's Combat here at Infinite Rhythm Productions, and this is the official tutorial for the sample version of our new preset series, the Essential Series. This tutorial will specifically focus on the Pro Tools hip hop rap vocal presets compatible with Waves Gold bundle. Let's get straight into it.
Combat, this is a banger, huh?
Alright, so when you guys first download this sample pack, you guys are going to get this folder right here. You're going to see it says Essential Pro Tools, Presets, Templates, Waves Gold Bundle. That's how you know you got the right one. We got our sample preset right here, as well as our README. Now this README pretty much just takes you to this tutorial right here, but there's this also nice little discount in there as well if you guys end up getting the full version. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to double click and open up the preset. All right, nice. So when it opens up, you guys are going to get this dashboard right here. It's going to have the name, title it whatever you guys want. For this one, example 1, aggressive. And then we got our file type, keep it at WAV, bit depth 24 is pretty good, sample rate 48 is great, IO settings, whatever works for you guys, interleaved. And then you guys just pick the location you guys want to save this in and then hit create. All right, awesome. So when it opens up, you guys are going to get this full template right here. I already have these stems imported. You're not going to see this when you guys import it, but it's going to be completely blank with all of these tracks right here. We're going to have the place where you have the beat. We're going to have the recording track right here. I also color coded everything, you feel me? We got the verse lead, verse double, verse ad libs. We have the verse vox sub where you control everything through. We have the hook lead, hook dub, hook ad libs. So as a hook vox sub, same thing. You control all the hook vocals through this. Then we have the reverb, New York compression, as well as delay. And we also have some stuff on the master channel. If you guys have any problems with latency or anything like that, you guys could just right click and make inactive. If not, you guys could just make active right here. Next thing, if you guys have any issues with your inputs or outputs, feel free to go to setup and then IO, and then just make sure you're in output right here and hit default. Same thing with input if you guys have any issues, but it should just always be the same IO settings that you guys have. And if you guys have any issues with latency as you guys are recording, when it's like a little delayed or lagged, just go over here to playback engine and you guys could just change the buffer size to 128. That would work perfect. Cool. So when you guys get the template open, you guys are ready to record. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is you guys are going to want to import the beat. So you could either go Command Shift I, or you could go over here to File, Import, and then Audio. Make it super easy. Once you guys get the beat in and everything, let's just say you recorded your first track, make sure you use this recording track to record. We're going to hear how the dry vocals sound and then how easy it is to just drag and drop and make them sound a lot better. Here, let's do that. So this is what it sounds dry. By the way, this is a song by John Mack.
Don't think they should be playing with a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington fake me, she try and kick it. So I tell her go and do Tai Chi.
Awesome. So let's hear the preset now.
I don't think they should be playing with a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington fake me, she try and kick it. So I tell her go and do Tai Chi. They be rapping about the field, but they was never there. I'm here, I'm there, like air.
Sounds pretty good. So this sample pack is actually the aggressive version. The full version actually has 3 different presets and templates, including the Bay Area aggressive vocals, the LA crisp vocals, as well as the New York drill warm vocals. So if you guys want different tones for your songs, you guys could go between all those different presets and templates and just makes it super easy for you guys. It also helps if you guys have different microphones or environments or setups at home. So whether if the environment mic or the equipment is causing your vocals to sound a little bit more just like tinny or a lot of high frequency type noise, you guys could use the warm preset to really bring that down and give it more of a full sound. And same thing with the opposite. If you guys feel like your equipment and everything is kind of giving you more of too much of a dull warm sound, use the crisp LA vocals to make sure bring those up to more of like a crisp point. Aggressive vocals work really well as well for if you guys want that like more hard hitting punching rap, because again, this is all for essential hip hop vocals. Now let's go to the ad libs. Let's hear how the ad libs are sounding.
Playing with a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington fake me, she try and kick it. So I tell her go and do Tai Chi. They be rapping about the.
Now let's hear those ad libs with the ad lib track right here. Let's hear how that sounds.
I don't think they should be playing with a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington fake me, she try and kick it. So I tell her go and do Tai Chi. They be rapping about the field.
You guys see how easy it was when it was super low just to raise or lower that? Super easy. If you guys want more reverb, you guys could also use this as well.
I don't think they should be playing with a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these
less
niggas
reverb.
Don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington fake me, she try and kick it. So I tell her go and do.
If you guys are trying to add more echoes or delay to that, we have the knob right here. If you feel like it's off, I actually have other tutorials on my YouTube as well that goes and shows you how to grid the whole session a lot better, shows you how to find tempo and BPM all through Pro Tools. Super easy. And this pretty much completes the sample. I really want to show you guys the two other presets we have, the LA Crisp vocals as well as the New York Drill warm vocals. Let's show you that right now. All right, so we have a Crisp preset up right now, same song and everything. Let's hear it dry and let's hear it with the mix.
Playing with a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington, fake me. She tryna kick it. So
All right, let's hear the after.
I don't think they should be playing with a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington, fake me. She tryna kick it. So I tell her going through Tai Chi. They be rapping about
You guys hear the big difference on that, so it really brings up the crispness on that. I love the way it sounds. Now let's go to the warm vocals. I'm gonna show you guys how that sounds. So this is the before right here.
I don't think they should be playing with a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington, fake me. She tryna kick it. So I tell her going through Tai Chi.
Awesome, now let's hear the after.
I don't think they should be playing with a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington, fake me. She tryna kick it. So I tell her going through Tai Chi. They be rapping about the feel, but they was never there.
So those are the difference between all the three presets if you guys decide to get the full version. So that pretty much concludes our tutorial. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I hope this really helped you guys out. If you guys really like the way this templates and presets sounded, please feel free to check out our website, www.infiniterhythmpresets.com. We have different series on there, from the Clear Vocal Preset series to other hip hop essential series to some R&B stuff to Clear Vocal Preset series as well. So we have a lot of different things to really help you guys out at home. And again, we have a discount code in that README. So if you guys do decide to get the full version, you guys can use that code and get a percentage off your purchase. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact me on Instagram at combat_K. I'll put the link in the description. And again, I really appreciate you guys watching. If this really helped you guys out, please like, comment, and subscribe, because that helps me out a lot so I can continue to help you guys out. Let's get it.